Have you ever felt like your mornings just slip by, with no purpose, no energy? But there's a secret that Stoic philosophers have used for thousands of years to completely transform that. You'll be surprised to know that these simple morning habits not only wake you up but also help you live a more meaningful and resilient life. So, how can you apply these habits today and feel the difference? Don't miss out on the secrets that Wisdom Daily is about to share right here. So, are you ready to discover 5 simple yet powerful Stoic habits that can transform your mornings and set you up for lasting success? Let's explore them together, right now, with Wisdom Daily. Meditating on impermanence. When you wake up, every morning, have you ever spent a few minutes thinking about the impermanence of life? Imagine that each day that passes is a precious gift we are given. And when you look out at the vast world around you, you realize that our lives are just a tiny part of this immense universe. This feeling, although it might make you feel small, also brings a special kind of liberation. Being aware of the fleeting nature of life helps you reassess what truly matters. You'll no longer find yourself stuck in trivial worries or wasting time on meaningless things. You'll understand that time is something we can never get back, and every moment is precious. Meditating on impermanence isn't just about sitting quietly and reflecting. It's about recognizing the constant motion of everything around us, from the stars burning brightly in the sky to the waves crashing against the shore. Everything changes. Everything has a beginning and an end. And just like that, we too go through different phases in our lives. Try spending a few minutes each morning, find a quiet place, and close your eyes. Imagine the vast universe, the stars, the galaxies, and ask yourself, how can I live my life in a way that doesn't waste time on things that don't matter? When you realize this impermanence, you'll feel liberated from unnecessary anxieties. You'll live with more meaning and appreciate each moment more. This is the power of being aware of impermanence that Stoicism brings to us. Let this awareness guide you every day. Don't let life pass by without appreciating what you have. And once you start living with clear goals, every day will become a precious opportunity to grow. Once you've embraced the idea of impermanence, you'll naturally begin to see your life with greater clarity. But how can you deepen this insight every day? The next habit, journaling your thoughts, will help you do exactly that. Writing down your thoughts. You've probably heard that writing down your thoughts can help you find answers to life's big questions, or simply clear your mind every morning. But in reality, journaling isn't just a habit. It's a powerful tool that helps you explore your inner world. When you sit down every morning and jot down your first thoughts, you're not just gaining a better understanding of yourself, but also creating space to listen to the emotions and ideas hidden deep inside. Journaling each morning also helps you organize your thoughts. You'll easily spot things that have been worrying you or goals you're striving to achieve. And in the process, you're also practicing gratitude, something that Stoicism values deeply. You can start by listing 3 things you're grateful for that day, even the smallest things like sunlight, a cup of coffee, or a loved one's smile. This is how you nurture gratitude and learn to appreciate what you have rather than stressing about what you don't. In addition to practicing gratitude, journaling is a great way to set goals for your day. A good habit that Stoics always recommend is reflecting on your actions from the day before and setting goals for the day ahead. You might ask yourself, how did I act yesterday? Did I live according to my values? And today, who do I want to be? Writing down these small goals helps you stay focused and move toward a life filled with purpose. Journaling isn't just a simple exercise, it's a way to clear your mind and start the day with more clarity, ready to face whatever challenges come your way. By doing so, you'll realize that life isn't just about tasks, but about opportunities to grow and enrich your inner world. Now that journaling has given you clarity and gratitude, how can you make each day even more intentional? Let's move on to the third habit, setting daily intentions instead of solely relying on long-term goals. Setting daily intentions. Instead of long-term goals, you've probably set long-term goals for yourself, right? Big goals like becoming a CEO, buying a house, or traveling around the world. But have you ever thought about changing your approach? And instead of focusing solely on long-term goals, try setting intentions for each day, each moment in your life. In Stoicism, long-term goals can sometimes feel overwhelming or vague, and we may forget that it's the small actions each day that truly make a difference. Instead of aiming for big goals, start by setting small daily objectives, the behaviors and qualities you want to embody throughout the day. For example, you might set an intention like, "Today, I will be more patient with others," or "Today, I will focus on my work and avoid distractions." Another way to view daily intentions is through the actions and qualities you want to express in each moment. You may not be able to control the final outcome, but you can fully control how you behave. Think of a day where your goal is simply to become a better version of yourself. This will make you feel accomplished, even if it's a small action, because it holds significant meaning. A simple example is when you begin your day, ask yourself, "How will I demonstrate courage today in facing this challenge?" Or, "How will I show wisdom in handling this situation?" This not only helps you approach the day with a sense of purpose, but also keeps you aligned with the Stoic values you follow. The great thing about setting daily intentions instead of long-term goals is that you don't feel too much pressure. You'll feel progress each day, each hour, and this helps you naturally build positive habits. Over time, these habits will lead you toward your bigger goals without stressing about having to achieve everything right away. With clear daily intentions guiding your actions, it's time to step out of your comfort zone. This brings us to the fourth habit, embracing discomfort to cultivate resilience and inner strength. Embracing discomfort. In today's modern life, most of us tend to avoid uncomfortable things, right? We seek convenience, ease in everything, from driving instead of walking to using air conditioning instead of enduring the heat. But the interesting thing is, when you actually embrace discomfort, you can build a kind of mental and physical strength that's incredibly valuable. Let's think about taking a cold shower every morning. If you've ever tried it, you know that it's not pleasant at all. But it's precisely this discomfort that helps you build resilience and endurance. Not only does it strengthen your body, but it also fortifies your mind. The cold sensation will wake you up, making you start your day feeling refreshed and full of energy. Another simple example is choosing to walk to work instead of driving. While this might feel like it's wasting your time, it actually offers many benefits. First, you're not only exercising, but you also have time to reflect, listen to yourself, and absorb the surroundings. Those small steps each morning help you feel calm and better prepared for the long day ahead. Embracing discomfort isn't always easy, but it's facing these challenges that makes you stronger, both physically and mentally. When you learn to push through uncomfortable situations, you'll find yourself becoming more resilient and better equipped to handle life's challenges. Remember, discomfort is often an opportunity for growth. So, once you start with small actions, you'll see that you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. After experiencing how discomfort strengthens your mind and body, let's slow things down and nurture inner peace. The fifth Stoic habit, practicing mindfulness and meditation, will help you achieve just that. Practicing mindfulness and meditation. Have you ever felt like your mind is always racing, worrying about the past or the future? Sometimes we get so caught up in our thoughts, emotions, and stress that we forget how to calm our souls. In the meantime, one of the simplest yet most powerful practices to bring peace is meditation and mindfulness. Meditation doesn't just help you relax. It helps you reconnect with yourself. Every morning, take a few minutes to sit quietly and focus on your breath. The sensation of each breath will help clear your mind, dispel unnecessary worries. This not only helps you relax, but also sets the foundation for a new day full of energy, ready to face any challenges that come your way. Additionally, when you practice mindfulness, you learn to live in the present moment. not letting your mind drift to future anxieties or past regrets. Try to let your mind focus entirely on what's happening right now. You'll be amazed at how light it feels, as if all the mental burdens have been released. One of the key concepts in Stoicism that you can reflect on during meditation is amor fati, loving everything in life, whether good or bad. This doesn't mean you have to accept bad things without action, but rather understand that everything that happens has a reason and is part of life. When you love life as it is, you'll see that every challenge, difficulty, or success becomes an opportunity for growth. Try practicing amor fati in your meditation each morning. Let yourself accept and love whatever the day brings. This will change the way you view everything, living with gratitude and peace. This acceptance will help you live a fuller life, not just about what you have, but about how you face the world around you. By incorporating these 5 Stoic morning habits into your daily routine, you'll find yourself living each day with greater peace, purpose, and resilience. Now, let's quickly recap what we've covered to reinforce these transformative insights. So today, we've explored 5 Stoic habits that can help you start your day with peace and purpose. We talked about meditating on impermanence, journaling to nurture gratitude, setting daily intentions instead of long-term goals, embracing discomfort to build mental and physical strength, and finally, practicing mindfulness to love everything in life through amor fati. Each of these habits not only helps you change the way you perceive life, but also enables you to live a more meaningful life, full of energy and resilience. Remember, every small action you take each day helps you become the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful and want to continue your journey of exploring Stoicism, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any new videos from Wisdom Daily. What do you think about these habits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Join Wisdom Daily, because every day is an opportunity for us to become better, live with purpose, and embrace life with gratitude and peace. Wishing you a wonderful and inspiring day.